Can an LLC have just one member? Yes, an LLC can have just one member. This is called a single member LLC. It offers the same liability protection as a multi-member LLC, meaning the owner's personal assets are generally protected from business debts and lawsuits. For taxes, a single member LLC is considered a disregarded entity by default. This means the owner reports all business income and expenses on their personal tax return using Schedule C. However, the LLC can also elect to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation if that provides better tax advantages. Single member LLCs are popular for freelancers, consultants, and small business owners who want liability protection while keeping things simple. Zen Business can help you form your single member LLC quickly and handle the paperwork for you. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.